In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change the water filter in your Samsung smart refrigerator. Okay, one of the things you're going to want to make sure that you have is a Samsung water filter. Unfortunately, you do have to buy the name brand when it comes to these Samsung smart refrigerators, because if you don't, they'll have like an error message or it won't recognize it. So you make sure you buy the Samsung water filter. I'll have a link in the description of where I get mine at. But let's go ahead and change it out. Okay, when you open up your refrigerator, the filter is going to be right here. Now, the first time that you do this and go to unlock it, it might be kind of hard. I know it was for me, but the more you do it, the easier they are to twist and get out. All right, I had to two-hand that job. Twist it, and then it'll pull out like so. Okay, and then we'll get our new one. We'll get it out of the wrapper. Okay, your new one will have this lid on here. Just pull that or twist that off, and then it'll look like so. Okay, now it's just a matter of putting it back in here and then twisting it. All right, you push in on it a little bit, and then you twist until it's flush like that. So I had to push in on it and then turn clockwise a little bit, and then it finally got in there. I did hear a little bit of an air pressure release when I did push in on there, meaning that's a tight fit. Okay, next thing you're going to want to do is get on your touch screen here and look for this icon here that says Fridge Manager. As you can see, it's giving me the warning sign that my filter needs to be replaced, so I'll click on that. Okay, on the Fridge Manager, you'll see I got a little error message there. It says that it needs replaced. I'm just going to go ahead and click on View Details. And then under Water Filter here, Need to Replace, we're just going to go ahead and hit Reset Filter. Now it's going to prompt you for this message here. The last install date will be reset to today's date. Go ahead and click on Proceed. Okay, now it'll say filter is clean, and then it's got the date on there. Okay, and that's how you replace the water filter in your Samsung smart refrigerator.